So if you're looking at the Kenwood food processor, just to let you know, it's a fantastic size just for carrying about, or if you've got it in a food business like what we do, this guy is an absolute dream for what you need. Super simple to use. You can actually get two drum sets. You've got one for grating, I would say, or slicing, which is this drum here, or this disc here. And you've got the larger food container part here, and you get this here. And this is the bit that's already built up when you get the box. So as you'd expect, you put the food in here, push it down slowly, and you've got two options here for food processing. One in PE, but they just essentially do the same thing. But just to show you the power of the thing, let me show you. I'll just put it back in place. So you can see it's a big blade you get with it too, so it does chop everything up really well. We've had no issue with this one. Just a top tip, the very first couple of times you use it, you will get that battery smell. That's normal, that's perfectly normal, but the more you use it, the more that will disappear. That's just part and parcel of the job. The thing with this as well is the wire, when you're not plugged in, you just wrap around here, and Bob's your uncle, you can move it away. This detaches off, so you can clean inside, you can see in here. So it's super simple. I think absolutely worth the money, and it doesn't take a lot of your kitchen space up, so I think it's absolutely a bargain.